Guys, so Kinsley is being hilarious. She's being so funny. I can't show her right now. You are being a nut. She is butt naked, so that's why I can't show her. She won't wear any clothes today. You're being silly. Of me. Yo, on top of me. You can't be in the vlog because you're naked. You gotta put clothes on. Silly. So Mollie was laying on the couch. Her was sleeping. Oh, so we're just at home today. By the way, it's another Monday. I get another Monday just to be at home and clean, and I'm so excited that Claire's room is together and ready, and just mainly washing up clothes and dishes and getting stuff more ready. If she decides to come this week, we'll see. So anyways, what happened was Mollie has been laying on this couch taking a little nap, and she got up slowly. You could tell she was just trying to wake up. She was walking towards the kitchen, and Kinsley was sitting over there eating lunch, and Kinsley jumped up, and she said group hug, and jumped on Mollie and knocked her down. She's just being silly Kinsley, so she needs to put clothes on though. But we're just around the house today, just resting from a busy week, and we'll see when Claire will get here. Hey guys, so we're still just at home and cleaning up and resting, and I feel like I need to do a whole new house tour because Kinsley's, she's still not dressed, so I'm not going to show her for today. Well, you can see it right here. So, anyways, guys, Kinsley's got new room, and also our room has been like redone and everything too. Also, but I wanted to show my belly because I was just looking at it.
These flip-flops are being sister.
Are they? Oh, they're like little candle flip-flops. Yeah. Yeah. Belly. I was just looking at her and I was thinking, she looks so low. Like, I feel like, yes. Okay. Sorry, guys. Yeah. She's just looking super low to me, and I just wanted to kind of get that on film here while I was thinking about it.
Look at this. I can make this telescope.
I see. I wish you had clothes on, so we could film some more today, but I'm just letting her be a toddler, Kinsley, crazy girl, and let her do what she wants to do today. So, anyways, here's Claire. She's getting big. I'm going to do another vlog here. She's just getting big here, so. Yeah, that goes on your cheeks. So, oh yeah, she got a hold of some bottles and stuff, trying to clean up more bottles and get stuff ready. So, but we'll see you guys tomorrow. Sure, if anything else happens tonight, I'll let you guys know. Joel's still studying, Daddy-O, and we're just at home getting stuff cleaned up and all. Hi, can you wave? Can you wave? Bye. I wanted to show y'all our new comforter that we got at IKEA. So this is our new comforter. Ah, there's a Kinsley! At the bassinet, this one's in our room. And if you guys go see the nursery tour, should be up soon. I'm trying to edit it in just a minute. Hayden, she was helping me put all the pillows up here and everything. How cute. The blanket's moving. What is that?
Ribbit.
A frog. There's a frog in our bed. Kinsley. Here's big sister taking care of baby sister again. Hey guys, good morning. I'm headed out now. Kinsley's going to school. Daddy's going to take some tests for his finals this week. He's got like 3 more days, so hopefully Claire will hold out just 3 more days, and then she can come anytime she wants to, so that way he'll get all his tests done. And I'm headed out. I'm going by the post office first this morning because I have a subscriber that said she sent me something, so I'm pretty sure it's there. She thinks it's there, so I'm gonna go check it out. I can't wait. Thank you so much. And hopefully got my hair up today. Hopefully I'm getting it colored, that way it'll be good to go. And hopefully one day this week I can go get my toes done too. Headed out this morning and then I've got a busy day, and I gotta stay late today at the salon also. But I will have a middle time, like a couple hours, where hopefully I'll get my hair colored. Alright, we're here at the post office. where's my, oh yeah, there it is. So I'm supposed to unlock this one now, I think. Ooh, got the box. Cool. Alright. Open this. Okay. Yay! I'm excited. Hey guys, so I'm super excited. I got lots of mail in our PO box. That's so exciting. I'm gonna open up a couple things for you guys. I'll go in the salon, but my other stylist is already here working, so. But I wanted to open these now since I was so excited before I have to get busy at work. Aw. Oh, got two little bracelets. Got me a bracelet and Kinsley a bracelet, I think. Or maybe they're supposed to be Kinsley and Claire's bracelets. Let's see their letter here. Awesome. So this is, yeah, these are for me and Kinsley. So super excited. And then also she gave me an Instagram name, so I'm gonna go check out on Instagram. Awesome. Let's see here. Got some coupons and then a long letter. I'm gonna read it in a minute. But thank you so much. Francis sent me that one, I think. And let me see, Emily, I think, sent me the other one. Thank you, Francis and Emily, for your sweet letters and bracelets and coupons. Let's see what's in here. Alright. How cute! Oh my goodness, y'all really didn't have to do this. Wow. Some cute shirts. Glittery pink shirt. So cute. I love it. Butterflies. She'll love that. And let's see. Wow. Kinsley is so special. This is from the Axton's family. Not sure if I'm saying that right. Thank you so super much. Your letter in a second. Thank you so much. This is so sweet. Absolutely did not have to do this. So cute. The pink flowers. And then some cute, very cute shorts. I love them. Thank you so much. So super sweet. Thank you, family, for sending us that. She'll love it. And then I'm not sure if I can get this box open without scissors. Alright. Wow. Alright, I've got a, looks like a pocketbook here, but I'm not sure who this is from. Nobody's left a letter or anything, so I'm not sure. We'll have to open this up later. I think it's too big for me to open up in the car. Yeah, it doesn't say who this is from. I'm not sure. Maybe it's from them. Well, thank you guys so super much. Oh my gosh, I love you guys so much. I'm going to be sending you back a little something also. And that is so super sweet. I love it. Thank you so much. Alright, I got to get to the hair salon now. And I hope y'all guys are having a great day. And we'll see y'all in a little bit. Send us anything to our PO box. My PO box is below. And I'll be checking it frequently and opening it up for you guys. And then I'll also send you back a little something too. So we can get to know each other and that'll be lots of fun. So here at the salon, I'm uploading a video. I just got done editing the how to make the popsicle pads or whatever, and also the big sister present. Hopefully it'll be up soon after this one this week, and then we've got the nurse chair and all those kind of things that I want to get up before Claire gets here. And just busy at the hair salon. I was hoping to get my hair color today, but we're not going to do it today. We don't have time. We're getting real busy. I have break tomorrow, so we're going to try to do each other's hair tomorrow, actually. So we'll see just here waiting for my next one to get here now. And yeah, and then actually Thursday I have to bring Kinsley with me. But I'm like really busy the rest of this week. So just hoping that Claire maybe will hold out a little bit longer. Just a little bit until this busy week gets done. And then she can come whenever after that would be so awesome. Alright guys, so it's 7 o'clock and I'm about to head out of the salon after my busy day. It's been raining also, like come down a big rainstorm. It was like so sunny all day. Then it got real dark, storm, and then now it's like really sunny again and not raining, which is crazy. I'm gonna go get us some dinner. I gotta go pick up Kinsley. Joel's at the library studying. But I'm super excited for my doctor's appointment in the morning. I just now realized, I was like, oh, I got the doctor in the morning and I get to see how Claire's doing. And maybe they can, I don't know if they're gonna check, see how things are progressing or anything. Hopefully they do though, because I really am concerned about that. Or if they might just listen to her heartbeat and stuff. I don't know, we'll see. I also ordered Kinsley a really super pretty dress. I'll show you guys when we get home and show her. But now we're trying to get home. And my mom was going to come see Kinsley's nursery, but I don't know if she still is or not. So we are home now. Mollie is chewing on the bone. Yes, well, she was. And Kinsley would like to say hello. And jump on, hello, and jump on the couch. Oh my goodness.
I did everything.
Can you say hello?
Hello.
Did you have fun at school today? You had a good day at school? Well, I know she had a good day at school. Ganny told me she did, and she's going to see some firefighters. I think this Friday, I think it was. They're going on like a little field trip. That'll be her first real field trip. I won't get to go. I'll be busy, but I wish I could go. But they are having a fun thing at the school on Thursday night. Hopefully I'll get to go. Won't be too busy at the salon for this. It's like you eat spaghetti. It's like a book fair thing, so that's really cool.
Look at me, guys.
She's starting to have more stuff going on at school.
Look at me, guys.
She said, look at me, guys. Whoa. You're fast. A little update on baby girl.
I'll show you something else.
What? What? Do it again. I didn't see it. Really? Yeah, she's still awake. I don't think she had a nap today. We're about to get ready for bed. But baby girl is... Okay, show me again.
Slide.
You sliding?
Oh,
She's moving around and like it's kind of hurting down there a little bit. Maybe some Braxton Hicks contractions, but I don't think nothing serious, of course. But she still seems kind of low to me. But we're gonna see how much longer. Okay, show us one more time.
Honey, they're not on my